Hello retouchers, so welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial video, we'll be working on this picture right here. Okay, so we're going to turn this picture to good. Okay, so this picture is on RAW and this is camera raw filter. Okay, so and to do that, I have to do some adjustments here. Okay, though I love this effect right here. Okay, but we'll go back to this effect. Maybe we'll do it too. Okay, we'll make it 2. Okay, but first, let's turn this picture to good. Then retouch this picture. Okay, so right here, I'll move to color here. This is camera raw filter. So the temperature here, I take it to yellow, as you can see. So I move it to yellow here. Okay, so this right here is okay. So I will hit open. Okay, so right here that's open. So the next thing I will do here is to retouch this picture. As you can see, the picture is raw, so we still need to retouch this picture to fit the skin more. Okay, so and to do that, I'm making use of this my all-in-one retouching preset right here. Okay, so if you need this my all-in-one retouching preset, you can check my channel description for it. So I'll be using the frequency separation 16 bits because the picture is 16-bit picture. Okay, so this is the 16-bit. I click on it. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have to choose the amount of blur that will be suitable to retouch this picture right here. Okay, so as you can see, it's on 8. Okay, so 8 is okay for this image because if you are blurring, what you look after is the amount of blur that will blur your picture, and it will blur your texture, but you still be seeing your texture. Okay, so 8 is okay for this image. So I hit okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is this picture right here. So we'll retouch this picture right here. We'll try everything possible to make it, retouch it and make it look natural also. So let's retouch this picture. As you can see, the skin is softening and blending. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, actually, I've made several videos on how you can set your frequency separation and also set your mixer brush to get the perfect retouch. You can check my channel for the tutorials. Okay, and up here also, this is the settings I'm using. My weight is on 70 here, load is 60, mix is 100, flow is 60 for this particular tutorial. Okay, so let's check what we have achieved so far. So let's check if we are getting it right or wrong. So this is before and this is after. As you can see, we are getting it right before, after. Okay, so let's continue. We need to mix this skin to look more beautiful. So, and when you are mixing, when you are doing your frequency separation, always move according to the structure of the picture you are working on. As you can see, I'm retouching according to how the facial structure is. So I'll move like that. when you are retouching your picture, always pay attention to details. Though this picture here is like an effect, so some of the details, some of the features is not showing because of the effect that is on her body. But that doesn't mean that you will not see what you are doing to fix the necessary things that need to be fixed. Okay, so if we check the before and after, you will see that this picture is looking more beautiful. This is before and this is after. Okay, so let's fix it so it will be more beautiful and suit what we are looking for. Okay, so this is before and this is after. I think this picture is nice this way. Before, after. Okay, so what we're gonna do right here is to pick some of the stuff that is on her face. Okay, so to make her face more beautiful. Okay, and to pick these stuffs, this some of the hard pimples. Yeah, we're making use of the high frequency here. So as you can see, the high frequency is active here. So I select it and pick my clone stamp tool. So I'll pick it with my clone stamp tool. Opacity is 100, flow is 100. Okay, so I'm going to pick those hard spots out from my face. Okay, and as you can see, I'm still using this clone stamp tool to fix this effect that is on her skin, to fix it to the part of the place that looks like is damaging. Okay, so I'm just fixing everything at once, not just the spots. Okay, so right here, let's patch here. Okay, so let's take from this side and patch here up. Okay, so this is nice. Before, after. So you can see this is looking more beautiful. So I want the gold to be the gold to be more shiny and out. So I will add a LUT. Okay, so this LUT that I'm going to add is Photoshop. If you have your Photoshop, the LUT must be in your Photoshop. Okay, so I'll go to color lookup here and I'll search for the LUT. So age amber. Okay, so you can check for age amber. So as you can see, this is what the picture looks like now. Okay, so the age amber is nice. So right here, I will merge it together with this. Okay, so now I need more of the glow on her face. So and to do that, I use my curve here. I create a curve here. So here I take the curve up here. Okay, so now we hide it, Control I. Okay, so I pick my brush tool. So I paint, reveal it only the particular place I need the glow on. As you can see. So I need the glow on more of this highlight side. Okay, so here I need the glow here as well. I need it here as well. Okay, so right here I will double click here. Then here I will go to the mask here and make the mask active. Then I will feather this. I will increase the feather here. Okay. So this is before, after. Okay, so it's looking nice. Okay, so I will merge this together. As you can see, this effect is more of the red. Okay, so I will take it to camera raw filter and adjust it a little. So I take it to camera raw filter. So here in camera raw filter, I play with the temperature here. Okay, I adjust here. So I move to color mixer here. So I move to the hue here. Then I take this up this way a little, the orange here. Take it this way a little. Remember, I'm removing the red. It looks more reddish here, and I don't want it. I need something good. Okay, so so this is nice. So this black here, I take it down a little. I increase the highlights a little. So now I will go to effects here and add little texture. Okay, so I click OK. Okay, so this is looking beautiful. So this is the picture raw. This is the picture and after, before, after. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you really watch to this end, you're a pro. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial.